How to check if your Samsung mobile is original or refurbished. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So before checking, make sure you have your box ready in which your mobile phone came. And on the back of that phone box, you will see IMEI number. There will be two distinct numbers assigned to each mobile phone if they are original. Now, simply go to about phone from your settings. Here, see this IMEI number and make sure this number matches with your number on the box. If the number matches, the your number is your phone is original, but if your number does not match, it might be refurbished. You can also check it using an application from Play Store called Device Info, and all the information about your device will appear in that application. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.